This is the timeline of a short film I edited. As you watch this moment, you're not realizing that there was a cut on the timeline. This is the original take.
That's not the only thing that matters.
We don't fast on Yom Kippur.
We felt like the pause between dialogue lines was too long to come across as authentic. I could cut this out, but it leaves us with a nasty jump cut.
That's not the only thing that matters.
We don't fast on Yom Kippur.
And in this case, a jump cut simply ruins the moment. But because it's a static shot, we can create an illusion of continuity by morphing two sides of the clip. In Avid, it's called fluid morph. In Premiere, it's a morph cut. This effect looks at consecutive frames and makes the best guess as to what the middle frames between the two shots would be.
That's not the only thing that matters.
We don't fast on Yom Kippur.
Morph cut allows us to alter the performance of an actor. By the way, creating takes that were never shot is actually very common in movies. In Florida Project, Sean Baker's movie, they used masking to combine multiple shots into one take.
We did a lot of that. Sometimes the frame was divided into 4 or 5 different mats to control the timing of the kid's action.
Keep in mind that morph cuts will not work for Steadicam or handheld shots, but you can get away with them for dialogue scenes shot on a tripod unless the movement is too abrupt or unpredictable or facial expressions change significantly. Then morphing might be just a little bit too obvious to hide the cut. I used this technique 3 times when editing Cold Little Bird. Here is another example of the take that would not make it into the final cut without it.
But you wanna give me a medicine that might make me think about hurting myself?
Wesley Holloway stumbled on that line, but using a morph cut, we were able to fix his performance.
But you wanna give me a medicine that might make me think about hurting myself? It's called suicidal ideation.
By the way, this guy is gonna be famous as shit one day, mark my words. You could even mix morph cuts with split screen or masking, if that's what it takes to achieve the emotional impact you're after. These are examples of simple one-concept tutorials about editing techniques I'll be releasing as part of the Editing Chef program. I call them editing quirks, like the particles. The Editing Chef has never been so packed with things to take your skills and experience to the next level. Practice footage, roundtable discussions with high-profile editors, and feedback rounds to name a few. I'd love to see you as part of this exclusive community. You will find the link on my channel page. See you there!